Do you ever get cake cravings, but A, you're on keto, and B, you don't really want to make an entire keto-friendly cake? Well, I've got a chocolate lava keto-friendly mug cake for you. Let's go. The very first ingredient we need is 1 egg. It really doesn't matter what the size is. Now I'm using a separate bowl instead of just throwing it all in a mug because it's just easier to whisk and kind of combine the ingredients that way, but you can actually do it just in one container if you prefer to, or if you don't want to dirty up another bowl, that's another thing you gotta clean, I guess. Then add in your almond flour. Now add in your baking powder. This will help the cake rise a little bit. Now add in your monkfruit sweetener. Add 1 tablespoon of salted butter. The reason why I like salted butter is because I find it has the perfect amount of salt in it, so I'm not trying to mess around with perfect ratios of cake and salt and sweetness, and it's just a lot easier. Add 2 tablespoons of either avocado oil or melted coconut oil. Just be careful with the coconut oil because it does have a little bit of a flavor and can alter the taste. That's why I prefer to use avocado oil. Add 1 tablespoon of Dutch processed cocoa powder. If you don't have Dutch processed cocoa powder, you can use the special dark cocoa powder. It's basically the same thing. I think it actually is the same thing. Now that we have all of our ingredients in the bowl, we're gonna whisk it together really fast so there's lots of air going into it. This will help make it a little bit fluffier. Then you're going to pour half of the mix into your container of choice. Today I'm using a ramekin because I feel like it just cooks it a lot better, but you can use a mug if you choose to. And then you're going to sprinkle in some chocolate chips. And then you're going to pour the rest of the batter on top of that. And then sprinkle some more chocolate chips on top. Okay, the cake is almost done. Now we just need to cook it. But before I do, I need you to like this video, comment on this video if there's any suggestions you might have for me for future videos, and subscribe to my channel. I'll wait. Okay, I can't wait anymore. I need to bake this cake, so let's put it in for 1:30. And there you have a keto-friendly chocolate lava mug cake. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video if you have any future video suggestions for me, and subscribe to my channel. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. See you later.